The next time you walk into your tack or feed store, ask for Soar No More products by name. The old saying goes, no hoof, no horse. Sugardine is an old-time remedy that's been resurrected by farriers to combat abscesses and hoof infection. Kathy Mongeon of KP Mongeon Racing Stables will show you how to take Soar No More's, the sauce, and turn it into a sugardine preparation.
First of all, I'm going to put regular table sugar into a container. And then what we do is we add the sauce, Soar No More sauce, and we get it to a pretty thick consistency. I usually do this every couple days. I don't like to let it sit too often, especially in Florida. The ants tend to get it to a paste consistency. I might add a little bit of sugar. Then what we do is we paint it on the hoofs. I am painting the Soar No More sauce mixed with sugar, and it becomes a sugardine. I've made it into a liquid consistency so that we can paint it on. His feet are a little tender, but I wanted to get into all the nooks and crannies. And not having his shoes on, it's a little difficult to use it as a pack, but if he has shoes on, we'll make it thicker and like a peanut butter consistency, and then you can pack it in there good and bandaged. But right now, I've been using it for a few days, so I just chose to paint it on, and it helps tremendously to help draw and get the soreness out of the foot.